Learn tattooing in 15 days. You must have heard this, right? Let me be very honest with you. Tattooing can't be learned in 15 days. Tattooing is just not drawing on skin. It requires a lot of technical knowledge, safety, hygiene, understanding skin, and lot of other factors. At Lizard Skin Artdemy, we don't sell shortcuts. We build real tattoo art. That's why our tattoo training course is a 6 month structured course, but not a 15 days crash course. In the first phase, we start with the foundation, learning tattooing with a coil machine. Why coil? Because the coil tattoo machine is the root of tattooing. It teaches you proper hand pressure, needle depth, machine tuning, true understanding of how a tattoo machine works. If you don't understand a coil machine, you are skipping the basics. And skipping basics creates superficial artists and unsafe tattoo. Only after doing the fundamentals right, we move towards advanced techniques, different machines, real skin practice, professional ethics, and hygiene. So, no, tattooing is not magic and it's definitely not a 15-day skill. If you are serious about becoming a professional tattoo artist, if you want real knowledge, real practice, and real confidence, then welcome to Lizard Skin Artdemy because we don't teach fast, we teach right.